Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can change email address on Epic Games. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your Safari or any web browser. So once you open it, you can go ahead and search for epicgames.com. Make sure that you are logged into Epic Games. So once you are logged into it, you can see that three dots or menu bar. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see several options. Go ahead and tap on account settings. Now in here you can see the email address. Go ahead and tap on it. Now in here is written new email address. Click on the email address and click on continue, and make sure that the email address that you have added is not used in any other Epic Games account. Then only you will be able to add that email address or change that email address on Epic Games. So if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.